Hey everyone, welcome back. Is your iPhone getting hot during eFootball matches or is your battery dropping fast after just a few games? Here's the fix. First, remove your phone case while playing since cases trap it and stop it from escaping during eFootball's graphics intensive match rendering. Never charge your phone while playing since charging and gaming together generate the most heat of any combination. Close every other app running in your recent app list before starting a match since background apps add extra processor or load. Go to your settings after that and go to general inside settings, then go to iPhone storage and free up space. Since low storage forces the processor to work harder, loading match data, generating more heat and draining battery faster. Go to your settings and go to display and brightness in settings and make sure to lower your screen's brightness since that is one of the biggest battery drains during extended plays. If your phone still runs hot, lower your in-game graphics settings and take short breaks between longer sessions to let it cool down normally. So all you've got to do is remove your case, never charge while playing, and close background apps for your storage and lower your brightness. Your phone stays cooler and that's it. Subscribe.